What if sound itself could heal your body, unlock emotions you've buried for years, and even shift the way you experience reality? For thousands of years, certain frequencies have been whispered about as secret keys to harmony and transformation. They're called the Solfeggio frequencies. And while most people have never heard of them, once you do, you can't listen to music the same way again. In the next few minutes, you'll discover their mysterious origins, the science behind why sound shapes our minds and bodies, and how you can start using these frequencies in your own life for peace, focus, and healing. And if you're new here, subscribe to Sacred Frequencies Studio, where we explore and experience the hidden power of sound together. To understand the Solfeggio frequencies, we have to travel back to a time when music wasn't just entertainment. It was a bridge between the human spirit and the divine. Ancient monks believed that certain tones carried the power to connect the soul with higher realms. In fact, these frequencies were woven into Gregorian chants, the meditative hymns sung in echoing cathedrals, designed not only to praise, but to awaken something hidden deep inside the listener. People described feeling lifted into states of peace and even transcendence simply by hearing them. The Solfeggio scale is built on specific vibrational patterns: 396 Hz, 417 Hz, 528 Hz, 639 Hz, 741 Hz, 852 Hz, and later expanded to 963 Hz. Each number isn't random. They're tied to ancient numerology, sacred geometry, and the belief that the universe itself is structured by vibration. Here's where it gets intriguing. Many researchers claim these tones were hidden or lost when Western music shifted to the standardized tuning of 440 Hz. Some believe this change detuned music away from its natural harmony, leaving us disconnected from the frequencies that once aligned body, mind, and spirit. And that's the conflict. Mainstream science often dismisses these tones as pseudoscience, while seekers around the world report profound healing, clarity, and emotional release when listening. The mystery of the Solfeggio frequencies lies in this tension, forgotten knowledge that refuses to stay buried. So why do so many people swear by them? And what makes these numbers so special? To answer that, we need to look closely at the unique meaning of each frequency. Now, let's dive into the heart of the Solfeggio system, the frequencies themselves. Each tone carries a unique energy, said to unlock specific pathways in the mind, body, and spirit. 396 Hz is known as the frequency of liberation. Listeners often describe it as dissolving fear, guilt, and heavy emotions that weigh us down. It's like gently lifting the anchor that keeps you stuck in the past, allowing you to move freely toward new possibilities. 417 Hz is the tone of change and renewal. Think of it as a cleansing frequency, clearing negative patterns and helping you step into new beginnings with courage and confidence. 528 Hz is perhaps the most famous, often called the miracle frequency. Linked to DNA repair and cellular transformation, it's said to restore balance at the deepest level of our being. Many describe it as the sound of love itself, radiating harmony, joy, and even creation. Some researchers suggest it resonates with the natural frequency of life, the vibration that underlies everything from the spiraling strands of DNA to the heartbeat of the Earth itself. When people listen to 528 Hz, they often report feeling a rush of lightness, as if their inner world has been gently retuned to peace. 639 Hz centers on relationships and connection. This frequency nurtures compassion, forgiveness, and empathy, tuning your heart to harmony with others. It's often used for healing bonds, whether with family, friends, or even with the parts of yourself you've neglected. 741 Hz is all about clarity. Known as the detox frequency, it's believed to cleanse the mind and body, sharpen intuition, and release what no longer serves you. 852 Hz is the tone of awakening. It's said to realign you with your inner truth, opening awareness and strengthening your connection with higher consciousness. And finally, 963 Hz, often called the frequency of the divine. Associated with pure light and unity, it's said to activate the crown chakra, guiding you into states of deep meditation and spiritual connection. Taken together, these frequencies form more than just a scale of sound. They're like keys to different doors of healing, awareness, and transformation. People don't just hear them, they feel them, sometimes as tingling in the body, waves of emotion, or a deep stillness that words can't fully describe. But do they really work? Or is it all just suggestion and belief? To answer that, we need to turn to science, and also confront the skepticism that surrounds these mysterious tones. Sound is vibration, and vibration has always influenced the human body. Modern science shows that certain tones can slow the heartbeat, calm the nervous system, and even synchronize brainwaves into states of deep focus or relaxation. This is the basis of sound therapy, which uses rhythm and frequency to shift mental and physical states. In fact, techniques like music therapy and binaural beats are already used in hospitals, meditation centers, and wellness practices around the world. Researchers studying resonance have found that vibrations can literally move matter. Water, for example, forms intricate patterns when exposed to sound, a field called cymatics. Some experiments, like those of Masaru Emoto, claimed that water crystals changed shape depending on the emotional intention behind the sound. While his work is debated, the idea sparks a bigger question. If sound can shape water, and our bodies are mostly water, what happens when we immerse ourselves in healing frequencies? Skeptics argue that the claims around Solfeggio frequencies lack rigorous scientific proof. They suggest that much of the effect might come from the placebo response, the power of belief itself. But even if that's true, does it make the experience any less real? Millions of people around the world report stress melting away, emotions releasing, and inner peace returning when they listen to these tones. In a way, the mystery deepens. Whether by measurable science or through the power of perception, these frequencies clearly hold a unique ability to move people. So, if you're curious to explore them for yourself, how do you actually begin using Solfeggio frequencies in daily life? So how can you bring the power of Solfeggio frequencies into your own life? The beauty is, it's simple, and you don't need any special equipment to begin. Start with meditation. Choose a tone like 528 Hz or 639 Hz. Close your eyes and let the frequency guide your breath. Many people find the sound helps quiet racing thoughts and deepens their inner stillness. For sleep and relaxation, play Solfeggio music softly in the background as you drift off. Frequencies like 396 Hz or 852 Hz are often used to release stress, dissolve tension, and carry the mind into restorative rest. You can also use them during focus and study. Tones like 741 Hz help clear mental fog, sharpen intuition, and create a calm but alert state that's perfect for work or creativity. And this is where Sacred Frequency Studio becomes your sanctuary. Every week, we create music tuned to these powerful vibrations. 8-hour deep sleep journeys, healing soundscapes, focus music, and manifestation tones, all designed to immerse your mind and body in harmony. The key is consistency. Don't just listen once. Weave these sounds into your daily routine, and let your own experience show you how powerful they can be. Up next, let's bring it all together and close with a final reflection on why these frequencies matter, and why this journey is only just beginning. The Solfeggio frequencies are more than just tones. They're doorways to peace, clarity, and transformation. From ancient chants to modern sound therapy, these vibrations remind us that healing is woven into the fabric of sound itself. If this journey inspired you, subscribe to Sacred Frequency Studio, your sanctuary for healing, sleep, and manifestation. Like and share this video so others can discover the hidden power of sound.